single phase AC circuit. AC circuit. Okay. Now in this chapter we have start corresponding this one AC circuit. We have discussed corresponding to resistance, inductance, capacitance. After that, combination of these two, like resistance, inductance, resistance, capacitance, inductance, capacitance, and after that we have discussed corresponding to all in three series. Then after that, parallel and mixed combination also, and also discuss corresponding to resonance, series and parallel resonance also, with examples also, because of not theory is important, most important is the numerical also. That's why we have discussed one by one. So today class I have discussed only for resistance. Okay, if pure resistance is connected in circuit, then what about voltage expression, current expression, and power, and what is the phasor diagram and wave diagram also. And after that we have discussed questions related to the topic. Okay, so one by one. Now we have, first of all, we have written here first one, pure resistive circuit. Okay, pure resistive circuit are written circuit are non-inductive circuit. You can say that non-inductive circuit, non-inductive circuit. We have neglect inductive effect is 0. We have considered here neglect inductive effect. Okay, otherwise if current or any current are flowing in the circuit, then some inductive effect are present. But here we have considered ideal non-inductive circuit, means no inductor present in the circuit. Okay, so suppose that supply voltage V this equal to Vm sin omega t, and this is non-inductive element or non-inductive circuit like resistance R, that is R, and apply voltage V this equal to Vt this equal to, that is Vm sin omega t. Okay, if Vt this equal to Vm sin omega t, then what about current IT? IT is written, I know that V this equal to apply voltage here, apply voltage V this equal to IR. Okay, so same voltage, because of both are parallel. This is the ideal wire, so no voltage drop here and no voltage drop here. So this voltage drop corresponding to this one. And what about current? Current is IT. Then what about VT? VT this equal to IT into R. Okay, so if you have any doubt, then written here VT is equal to IT into R. So what about IT? IT is equal to VT divided by R. So VT is Vm sin omega t divided by R. Now Vm divided by R into sin omega t. Okay, that is IT. Now if you compare, that is I max into sin omega t, then this is IT. So what about I max? I max is Vm by R. Okay, clear? So if voltage expression, that is Vm sin omega t, voltage expression Vt this be equal to Vm sin omega t, then what about IT expression, that is Im, better to write capital I max sin omega t, both are in same phase. So what about phasor? If you want to make phasor, then V this be equal to V at the angle 0, and what about I is also I at the angle 0. Okay, then what about phasor representation, that is V this be equal to V at the angle 0, then what about I is also at the angle 0, that is phasor representation. and this one is a circuit representation. Okay, our circuit diagram. Better to write CKT, our circuit diagram. This one is circuit diagram, and this is the phasor representation. If you ask in any exam, what is the phasor? Make phasor representation like this one, circuit diagram. This one, what is the wave diagram? Now next target is wave diagram. So if you want to make wave diagram, then expression for wave like this one. Now Vt is equal to Vm sin omega t. If you make Vm sin omega t expression, so this one, this one, this one, okay, this expression is Vt. Vt is equal to, that is Vm sin omega t. Now what about It? It is also Im sin omega t. Means if this is Vm is Vmax, that is Vmax, and now here Imax. Okay, now next target is, what about Imax? It is given Imax sin omega t. Then suppose that Imax like this one, then okay, Imax, suppose that Imax is 5 and that is 4.5. So make Imax Vmax corresponding to 5, then Imax is lower than Vmax in magnitude wise. So expression representation like this one, and okay. Now next target is, what about power? Power in pure resistive circuit. So now next target is, what about power? Power in pure resistive circuit, power expression. So first of all, written instantaneous power. Okay, that is instantaneous power expression P, or you can say that written is like Pt is equal to Vt into It. So if you in exam you asking what about instantaneous power, then written this expression, that is Vm sin omega t into Im sin omega t, that is Vm Im sin square omega t. Okay, this one is written as Vm Im into 1 minus cos 2 omega t divided by 2, or better to write here by 2, that is Vrms, because of I know that Vm by root 2 into Im by root 2 into 1 minus cos 2 omega t. This one is written as Vrms into Irms into 1 minus cos 2 omega t, that is Pt. This is called instantaneous power. Okay, sometime asking what about instantaneous power. If you asking instantaneous power, then instantaneous power expression is Vm into Vm sin Vt into It, and after that multiplication of this one we got Vrms into Irms, okay, in bracket 1 minus cos 2 omega t. Okay, now next target is, most of the time asking average power, or asking power absorbed by the circuit. Okay, power absorbed by the circuit, or you can say the average power. Power observed or average power. Average power, both are same thing. Okay, P average means 1 by T, 0 से T, Pt into dt. Okay, our motto determined this value. Now if put this here, average power of Pt, that is P average. Okay, average power of Pt means you can say that average power of this one. Okay, average power of this one, average of Vrms into Irms minus average of Vrms into Irms into cos 2 omega t. Okay, now this value same because of this is constant. But what about, and this is also Vrms into Irms, but average of cos 2 omega t is 0. Average of cos 2 omega t is 0. Okay, so if average of cos 2 omega t is 0, then what about this value? Only we got Vrms into Irms. Okay, Irms. Okay, so P average, or you can say put this value here, and we got this value is constant, and corresponding to this one, this is 0. We got corresponding to this one is 0 after integration. Okay, otherwise very simple. Average of cos 2 omega t or sin 2 omega t is always 0, that's why. Okay, same here, sin omega t, like this one, average of one cycle is 0, so similarly cos 2 omega t also 0. So P average is written as Vrms into Irms, or you can say that Vmax by into Imax by 2. Okay, so sometime asking if instantaneous power, then written Pt is equal to Vrms into Irms into 1 minus cos 2 omega t, or if you are asking corresponding to average power, then Vrms into Irms, or you written Vmax into Imax by 2. Okay, now next target is, what is the phasor, what is the wave diagram? If you want to make the wave diagram corresponding to power, then Pt is, we got Vmax into Imax sin square omega t. Sin square means this one corresponding to this one, and this multiplication of these two positive, this one positive, that's why. Okay, and this is expression, that is P average, and this one is a Pt. Okay, so make it Pt like this one, and this graph, that is It, this equal to Imax sin omega t, and that is pi, that is 2 pi. Okay, pi 2 pi, and that is 3 pi, that is 4 pi. Okay, now here is pi by 2, now here that is 3 pi by 2. Okay, so make it. Here represent Pt, Vt and It. So make it. Now after that this expression we have considered some question. First of all, make it. Corresponding to question, a 250 volt voltage is given 250 in RMS, okay, and F this equal to 50 hertz is given. The voltage is applied across a circuit consisting of a pure resistance. This voltage apply corresponding to a circuit consisting means if a circuit like this one, this is the pure resistance, and this voltage apply corresponding to like this. So voltage, if you write the voltage expression, so Vm sin omega t, and what about F frequency? Frequency is 50 hertz. Okay. Now pure resistance. What about resistance? Resistance is given 20 ohm. Okay. Determine the current flowing through the circuit. First of all, our motto determine current. So what about if voltage is given like this one in RMS, then what about I this be equal to V by R. Simply, if voltage in VRMS, then what about current? We got corresponding to IRMS. So 250 divided by 20, that is 12.5 ampere in RMS. Clear? So next target is, so according to question, first option is clear. What about current in the circuit? Okay. Now another way, second, the power observed by the circuit. I know that power observed, second option, power observed by the circuit, I know that power observed means P average power. You are asking corresponding to P average. I know that P average is IRMS into VRMS into cos phi. What about angle between voltage and current? Here pure resistance, that's why power factor be the unity, means cos phi this equal to 1, phi is 0, that's why you can say that is VRMS into IRMS pure resistance. If I end out then written here, pure resistance means what about cos phi? Phi this equal to 0, phi this equal to 1, or you can say that phi this equal to 0. If phi this equal to 0 angle, then phi this equal to, that's why written here. Okay, so VRMS is 250 and IRMS is 12.5. So we got 250 into 12.5, that is 3.125 kilowatt is the final answer. Now next target. Observe by the circuit, give the expression for the voltage and current. Now next target is voltage and current expression, means in time domain. I know that if you assume, first of all, determine I know that V this equal to Vm sin omega t. This expression is possible when we assuming, you can say that we assuming at t this equal to 0, V this equal to 0, then Vt expression written Vm sin omega t. Otherwise, this expression corresponding to Vm sin omega t plus minus phi. Okay. So assuming, because of not previous condition is not given, that's why we have written Vt this equal to Vm sin omega t. Means this expression is only possible at assuming if t this at t this equal to 0, V this equal to 0, then written here. Okay. So what about Vm? If expression like this one, and I know that VRMS is here, then what about Vmax? Vmax is equal to root 2 into VRMS. So, and root 2 into, that is 250. Okay. And omega Omega, what about omega? Omega is equal to 2 pi f into t. So 2 pi f is 50 hertz. So this is 314 t. Okay, if this value put here, so we got Vt this equal to Vm. What about Vm? Vm this equal to 250 root 2 into sine 314 t. And what about It? It is also written as Im sine omega t. Im this equal to 12.5 into root 2 sine 314 t. And this expression voltage, this expression current in volt in ampere. Okay, so first of all make it. If now corresponding to question, a 100 volt 50 watt bulb is to be operated from 220 supply. So first of all, according to question, what bulb? A bulb like this one. And what about voltage? That is 100 volt apply voltage like this one. And what about power? P is 60 watt. Okay, bulb is to be operated from 220 supply. What is the resistance must be connected in series with bulb? Okay, means a resistance R is connected here. Okay, if R connected, then supply voltage is 220 volt. Okay, of course this value corresponding to magnitude is given. Okay, like this one. So first of all, corresponding to bulb, power P this equal to, that is bulb. Okay, so our motto, what about rated voltage corresponding to bulb? You can say that rated voltage that is how much? 100 volt across bulb. Okay, now what about rated power? That is 60 watt. So rated current draw by lamp I this equal to P by V. Okay, P by V. So that is 60 divided by 100. We got 0.6 ampere. 0.6 ampere is the current. Okay, now clear? Now another way, what is the resistance must be connected? If resistance is connected like this one in series with bulb to glow normally after connected resistance. Okay, means only non-inductive parameter are connected here. Okay, inductance are 0. Okay, so what about resistance? So suppose that voltage across resistance is VR and this lamp resistance, this lamp also non-inductive. It means voltage drop this one plus this one, this is equal to this one. Okay, because of this one is a non-inductive, means voltage across lamp is also resistive. Okay, that is also resistive voltage. So this voltage and algebraic sum of this voltage plus this voltage, this is equal to this one, apply voltage. So 100 plus VR, this is equal to 220. So VR, this is equal to 120 volt. Clear or not? Clear? Now next target, our motto, determine resistance. So what about resistance? Current is 0.6 ampere, flow through in the circuit. So what about resistance? VR divided by I. VR is 220, I is 0.6. So what about resistance? 0 divided by 6, that is 200 ohm. Okay, so if 200 ohm are connected here, then what about supply voltage? Supply voltage is 250. Okay, so normally asking what about which resistance, how much resistance are added in series with bulb. So if 200 ohm resistance are added, then what about bulb low normally. Okay, so first of all make it. Okay.